Hello, everyone. It is your good friend Jack here, and I am back again with another Wax Weekly video brought to you by EOS Dublin and Wax School. Today it is August. It is the 4th of August. It is 2023. So it's the 4th of August 2023, and it is Friday. So happy Friday, everyone. These videos are now on a weekly basis, so we cover things a little bit differently. Starting off with the Atomic Hub, what's been popular in the last 7 days, filter down. I'm not sure if I've called it the right thing there, but anyway, Funko well and truly dominating the secondary market on the Wax blockchain at the minute, probably because it's linked to in real life collectibles, which are probably more rare than the standard Funko vinyl figures that people do collect already. With old favorites up there as well, Alien Worlds and Wombat Dungeon Master. We have a couple more things to cover this week. I think, to be fair, we'll head on over to the I suppose Oxia Origin had their key drop. I think I'm after clicking a little bit early into one of the tabs there. Let me just have a little look here, see if I can find what I wanted to find. Yes. So we're over to the NFT Insider website and we're checking out the drop calendar because we're going to cover what has happened this week on the Wax blockchain before we talk about things like Oxia Origin. So I clicked on the wrong tab there. So kicking off the week as usual, Nova Pangea and Nifty Kicks had their land and military facility crate drop. Nova Pangea had their Chapter 2 story pack drop. We had the Oxia Origin key drop continuation there. I think that was a sellout as well. And we had Dogzilla Wolf drop their rider pack as well. Don't know if there was a lot of them available. I think they were at 10 wax a piece. Then moving on to Tuesday, we had Zombie Coin. They had basically made some of their game playable. If you'd gone over to the zombiecoin.io website, plugged in your Waxcloud wallet or signed in with your Waxcloud wallet, and then head over to either Chop or Explore. If you headed to Exploration, you could go to the Northern Territory and you could basically do a bit of exploring for free. And it was the same with Chop. If you went over to Chop, so wood chopping, collecting resources, you earn, I forget the name of the token, Zedor something. Sorry, I've forgotten it now. But if you select Chop, there was also a free button there as well that you can see. Pretty cool for those of the Wax community that didn't want to invest in anything before they had a play of the game, which is always fair enough. We love free things. Continuing on then, I think on the Tuesday as well, you had the NFT Panda. They kicked off their Alien Worlds Festival. I think that's noted on here on the corner. And then moving into Wednesday, you had Landbox actually launching a browser. So the Landbox browser was launched as well. And they had a few other collection drops, if I'm not mistaken. We had Lil's Art Space drop some 101 NFTs. World of Crypto Pups held their Smilling Cane blend. Mikey Mike had a promo drop, and Big Bang Games dropped a Rumble Club Fighter, or Rumble Club Fighter drop. Hope I said that right. Thursday, again, lots of drops this week. We had Skatecoin and JRG do a collaboration. Elemental Hunters, they had their generator drop, and Humongous Senses had their bi-weekly drop as well. Moving nicely into today with the Waxy release. I think that's happening later this evening. Tomorrow we have Cat Stickers with Catterday, some Futures Relic drops as well, and then I think on Sunday there is Tales of the Crypto with an Action collab. So big week. I know I've run through a lot of it there. I just want to say that these bits of information that I get all this information for videos on, so the NFT Insider calendar, it's always very useful. We've got some sad news this week that they might not be continuing, but we do want them to continue. So I suppose on that bombshell, I will say happy Friday to everyone. Hope to see you at the next Wax Weekly. And as usual, wax on, everyone. Bye for now.